Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If you're looking to actually get organized and sometimes when you go in stores you get overwhelmed or you get completely distracted, I'm so glad you're here. Today I will share some easy tips which shows you how to actually get organized on a budget and systems you will love. My first tip is really important. That is to match your habits and your routine with the organizing system. If you really want to stay organized, is how you will use them. If any organizing system is working for me, that doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. And to start with the organizing, decluttering is the key. Things you are not using for past 6 months needs to go. And chances are you're not gonna use them in coming 6 months as well. As soon as you declutter, now it's time to bring that organizing system. My best friends are baskets and bins. I have lost count of how many baskets I have. I have all shapes and sizes from laundry room to the bedroom, girls' playroom, my spices cabinets, and even in the restrooms and my pantry. Not all bins and baskets are created equal, and when you are trying to maximize the space, the shape of your bin actually matters. As you shop, think about the surface area. Rectangular and square bins take less room and hold more stuff than round, but it actually depends which space you're organizing and what kind of baskets you need for that particular place. Containers not only help you in organizing, but they actually help you retain items which you might have lost. And they hold you accountable and allow you to declutter frequently so you always know what you have, which is gonna save you time and money. My best go-to places for like baskets and bin shopping are Walmart, Dollar Tree, Target, or even Amazon. I recently found this beautiful rope basket at Amazon from Bamboo, and when I ordered it came like in a day or two, and then it came in this beautiful plastic packaging. It's great price point. It's big enough to hold all the big items or even as small items in your home, and it's so presentable and beautiful. It's gonna enhance your living space. And I found this basket. I have many places at my home. I'm using it in my girls' playroom as well. It's big enough to hold frequently used toys and stuff and helping them keeping their toys organized. It's perfect to keep all our throw blankets in a family room. It's complementing our family room sofas as well. I am using it for our prayer mats and hijabs as well. It stays right in my living room for easy access all day and keeping my space aesthetically appealing. If you are interested in buying this beautiful rope basket, I have a 10% coupon code for you guys in the description box down below. Go ahead and use that to score this beauty. Remember, whatever system you create, you then have to manage it. So the less that you bring to a system, the easier it's going to be. Sometimes it's involved bit of trial and error. You just have to find a system which actually works for you and your family. I am bringing a lot of other organizing video. Please comment down below how did you like this video, and if you want to learn something else, let me know as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, click on the links to enjoy a lot more videos like this.